To draw a slab, for example for a balcony, select the slab architectural object from the drawing menu. So let's choose a point to start and simply click. Taking advantage of the vertical building envelope intersection points, proceed by inserting additional nodes that make up the surface of the building envelope. The distances between points can be determined using the snap points, but also by typing in the values on the keyboard. By entering the last point, we can then terminate the command. In the Object Properties pane, we can change the material layers, from the catalogue, define if it is tilted or not, set the height reference system and the materials. By selecting a segment of the slab, we can customize its shape using the grips, but also insert or delete nodes, convert straight sides to curved sides, or set an offset. These functionalities are the same as those already described for the horizontal building envelope.